Look in the mirror. This hairstyle is okay. Spray some glue and smooth a little. Okay, I'm still handsome. Today's date with my darling, so what should I wear impressively? See which shirt to choose. Flower shirt, black shirt, a white shirt. No, uncomfortable. Where? Ah, here's red shirt. Here is my favorite shirt. Oh, it's all wrinkled. Well, there's a way. Spray here some water. Take the hairdryer. Dry within 5 minutes. Okay, flat again. This white shirt is also wrinkled. Sprayed with water. Then use the hairdryer. Dried for 5 minutes. The shirt is flatter.
Hello, honey.
Oh, honey, today wearing a red t-shirt, looking very handsome. It's really nice new. Wait for me 5 minutes. I'll put on makeup. Make up your face a little more powder. Look, okay, it's beautiful hair. Oh, the collar, it's just lying flat. Is it a little for it to stand up? This is sexy already. Use hair clips to pull hair into sexy waves, right? My favorite shirt today is also wrinkled above. Then use a hairpin clip to stop it.
Just go out with my lover.
Oh, honey, looks so pretty. It looks okay. We are going on a date now. Honey, are you ready?
Okay, you're done, honey. Go.